In this video, we will show how we can backup the image of the IoT server and how we can restore that image completely automatically, with completely, let me say, magic, without having to do anything manually. Yeah, for instance, what we do, it is boot through the network boot. As you can see here, IPXE is taking control of the boot process. And then we have this menu. If we want to clone the disk that we already have, just click on clone disk. Okay. And then I just give a name of the disk that I want to clone. I don't know if it's going to work, because I don't know if in the storage server I have the proper directory created. By the way, the idea is just give a name, in this case M1, and then the system live boots, and the backup of the image starts automatically. Okay, as I already said, maybe this is going to fail when the backup uploads to the storage server. Yeah, here it is, the fail. By the way, as you can see, you don't have to touch anything until the disk image is cloned and ready to be restored if you have any issue. How it has been restored, then the same stuff. Just boot the IoT gateways, the IoT gateway to the network, then this booting process appears, and then restore disk. It warns us that it is dangerous because everything can be overwritten in the disk when we proceed, and then just give the name of the image that we want to restore. For instance, M1, just click enter, and in a few minutes, usually less than 5 minutes, everything is restored and ready to be used again. This practice, for instance, is something that we recommend to do every time that we put machines in maintenance. So when a new maintenance window starts, it's a good practice to go here, create a new image, and then if the maintenance activities fail for whatever reason and you have to roll back, then just restore the image that you created before starting the process. If you have to rescue the system in, let me say, in a daily activity for whatever reason, the hardware is damaged and it doesn't work properly, just install a new hardware from factory default, just netboot, and then restore the latest image that you have from that machine, from that lane. And everything, it will be restored automatically and instantly, and in a few minutes the line is ready to keep on working without having to do anything special.